Okay guys, so this is going to be taking you through your recipes. So you can see on the overview it's bottom left, so click on the recipes. Our first thing is the bar across the top, so it's split into all these sections. So dependent on what your day is, or what time of day it is, etc., or what you need at that time will be dependent on what you click on here. Alternatively, you can just scope through all the search bars and go from there and pick out. Okay, this is another resource that will be added to every month, and they will be split into these sections. Okay, so it goes from anything from breakfast right the way through to vegetarians. So if I want a post-workout kind of meal to help me recover, there's a few here. Okay, so there's 8 there, and there's 1 there. Okay, and all you do is just click on them. They come up. They've got the MyFitnessPal on there as well, which you can scan in. Also, as well, these are embedded in MyFitnessPal, so they're recognised. So if you put the name, the whole name of what you're making into MyFitnessPal, and then tally it up with the serving size, so whatever the kcal is for the serving size, it will be on there. Okay, it will recognise when you put the full name in as well. Okay, so if you can't scan the MyFitnessPal barcode for whatever reason, just put the full name of the recipe you're making into MyFitnessPal, and it will come up. Okay, but obviously you've got all the options here: lunches, low carb, high protein, etc. Okay, and then you can use MyFitnessPal to keep track of it all, and then enter it in your food log at the end of the day. Okay.